Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. So today we're going to be applying some tints to my car. I already have some tints on the back, but I think they're 35%, which I don't like. I like 20% on the back, you know. It's a lot darker, because even in the night time you can still see completely through it, which is crazy. So we're going to get the back ones done again to 20. These front ones are going to be done legal limit to blend it all in, and then the front windscreen is going to be done as well to the legal limit to make it all blend in nicely, because this car's going to be all blacked out. It's going to look nice. I'll show you what it looks like at the moment. Wait a second guys. As you can see, that's no tint, that's 35%. You can still see completely through. I don't like it. It's pointless having that tint. This is my front windscreen. This side with the sun on, so can you see the difference? And then the rear tail lights we're going to tint as well, so they look nice. And yeah, let's hope this all looks beautiful. Give you an update guys. Let me take some pictures. Here's where we're getting our tints done. Maz Detailing in Blackwell, or King of Tints. I think they're both the same company now. Look, we got a Porsche here getting his tints done as well. So if someone trusts this guy with his Porsche, so why not? My cousin actually told me about this place. I've been here before with him. Pretty decent people. Before guys, tints are now done. Thank you B for sorting out the tints. So there you go, that's your legal limit at the front. You really can't tell the difference that much, it's just a little shade of black. Same with the fronts, completely legal. Visibility is still very good. You really can't really tell the difference that much. On the outside it looks, you can tell a little bit, but from inside you can't really tell a difference, which is good because you got high visibility too. So there's the back ones now, 20 I mean. So they are quite dark compared to the front. Have a look there. So 20 in the backs, and then on the outside they look very dark, very good. So visibility is still good. Just at night you might struggle a bit in the back, but I have parking sensors anyway and all that stuff. So yeah, let's go have a look on the outside. There's the back. The tail light tints have been done. They're not as dark as I wanted. They look alright though. There's the front side, there's the other side. At the front is very nice and dark, can you see? This is this side here. So it gives a nice blend at the front. And there's your back headlight. One more thing guys, as we have the tints done at the front window to the legal limit, you don't get dazzled as much from bright LEDs and stuff, you know, misaligned headlights from other people. That's a really good benefit as well. So yeah, highly recommend it if you want it like that. Alright guys, this is what the tint looks like from the inside at night time. As you can see, visibility is still very high. You just have a slight tint of black to it. Front windows the same. So legal limit is not terrible. You can still see quite a lot. Whereas look at the back, yeah, 20%. Pitch black. Bloody hell guys. Can't see a damn thing. That's crazy, isn't it? So yeah, that's the difference between legal limit and 20%. Then I'll quickly show you the outside. Nighttime what it looks like. There's your 20% at the back. Legal limit. That's your front windscreen. It looks very nice and dark. You can still see through it. You can still see people. There's your front. There's your back. Full black. Same in the back here. Fully dark. Tail lights you can still see through. They're not very dark, the tail lights. And you can still see the lights through it. Look. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. That's my tints done. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel. Gonna have more car videos up soon.